Hi friends, here's another fun game using Mittens. You're going to cut out these cards in between the lines and put them somewhere in your room or around the house. Then you're going to get the number cards, which are here, and also cut these apart or have an adult help you. And you're going to have the ones that are, you can see them around the room, but you want to take your number cards. Like here's number 6, and you're going to look around and find the card that has 6 mittens on it. You can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is a match. Then when you're all done playing that game, you're going to use this one and count the mittens. 1, 2, and write the number here. And all the way through here, just practice writing your numbers. No matter how you do it is the right way. Just have fun with it, and you practice writing your numbers. Bye, friends.